Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into 10 must-have Linux apps for beginners. If you have just switched from Windows or Mac OS, your first instinct might be, what do I install first? We have all been there, but these 10 tools will cover almost every task you throw at your desktop. From office work to multimedia editing to gaming, we have got you covered. We'll keep it short and sweet, no jargon, no fluff, just straight up recommendations. Ready? Let's jump right in. The first app on our list is LibreOffice. It is a free, open-source office suite with apps like Writer, Calc, Impress, and more. LibreOffice handles file formats related to Microsoft Office, so you can collaborate with Microsoft Office users. It is packed with features like mail merge, pivot tables, and slide transitions. But LibreOffice has its quirks. Complex macros or advanced formatting might not port perfectly. For some users, the interface feels a bit dated if you are used to the MS Office ribbons. All in all, LibreOffice offers nearly everything you need for word processing and spreadsheets. No subscription required. The next application we talk about is VLC. It is a go-to media player that plays any audio or video file. Once you install it on your Linux-based operating system, VLC's built-in codecs mean there are no more missing codec errors on your distro. VLC supports features like streaming, screen capture, subtitle downloads, and more. However, as with LibreOffice, certain users find the user interface functional but not flashy. Users also report that occasionally a minor hiccup can happen on niche Linux distributions. Overall, install VLC first and forget about media compatibility headaches on Linux. The next app on our list is GIMP. It's a powerful open-source image editor. Rather, think Photoshop alternative. GIMP comes with many features like layers, masks, filters, and brushes. Everything you need for photo retouching. Additionally, there are tons of community plugins and scripts to extend its capabilities. Still, its learning curve can be steep if you have never used a layered editor. There were some improvements recently. However, the user interface feels less polished compared to commercial counterparts. All in all, GIMP is a perfect solution for basic to advanced image editing without paying for a license. One of the must-have Linux apps is Firefox. If you happen not to know, Firefox is a privacy-focused, open-source web browser with its own rendering engine, the only one among the most popular browsers. It is the default web browser in many Linux distributions. Firefox offers regular updates, a solid extension library, and robust privacy controls. Users also get synchronization across devices and private browsing tracking protection out of the box. Firefox has some cons. Users claim that they occasionally face site compatibility quirks. The quirks are rare, but can happen. Firefox also gets criticism for lagging in features behind Chromium-based browsers. Still, it's a safe and reliable daily driver. The next app we think is essential is Kdenlive. It's a free, open-source, feature-rich video editor for semi-professional to hobby projects. Kdenlive comes with a multi-track timeline, keyframe animations, and title templates included. The app offers regular updates, an active community, and proxy editing for large files. There are some downsides too. Kdenlive can be resource-heavy on older machines. Sometimes users face occasional crashes and bugs, so our recommendation is to save your work often. With all that in mind, Kdenlive is a constantly improving go-to choice when you are ready to start editing video on Linux. Audacity is a free open-source audio editor and recorder. Audacity records live audio. It offers features such as cut, copy, paste, apply effects, noise reduction, and many more. Features like MP3 export via the Lame plugin and multitrack mixing are included. Some users find its interface utilitarian and believe it hasn't seen a major redesign in years. To draw out more out of the audio editor, users should tinker with the settings. All in all, Audacity is ideal for podcasts, music editing, and quick sound fixes. OBS Studio is the standard for screen recording and live streaming. If you are into streaming to social networks or recording in high quality, then OBS Studio is what you need. It brings multiple features like scenes, sources, filters, and an audio mixer, all fully customizable. Still, for advanced setups, OBS Studio has a steep learning curve. Users report on forums that you should optimize OBS's settings carefully since it can tax your CPU or GPU sometimes. Finally, OBS Studio is essential if you want to create video tutorials, stream games, or record presentations. The next app on our list is HandBrake. HandBrake is a versatile video transcoder to convert and compress files. It contains presets for devices, and batch processing and subtitle support are built in. HandBrake is excellent for, say, shrinking large videos without huge quality loss. But don't expect to use it for video editing, since HandBrake is designed strictly for conversion. It's perfect for preparing videos for web upload or freeing up hard drive space. The next app we recommend is XNView MP. It's a quick, lightweight image viewer and batch converter. It browses hundreds of formats and offers batch resize and rename and basic editing tools. XNView MP comes with lightning-fast thumbnail previews and multi-platform support. Some users find its user interface a bit old school. Additionally, some advanced features are locked behind a complex menu structure. Still, when you need a quick gallery view and batch operations, XNView MP shines. And last but not least on our list is Steam. Steam is Valve's gaming platform with native Linux support growing every year. It comes with a huge catalog of Linux-compatible games and Proton compatibility for Windows titles. However, not every Windows game runs flawlessly under Proton, and some titles still lack full Linux support. Overall, if you want to game on Linux, Steam is your gateway to thousands of titles. Here's a bonus tip. We recommend you use your distro's package manager or a universal tool like Flatpak or Snap for installing and managing these and other apps. In this way, your apps are updated, sandboxed, and easy to uninstall if you change your mind. This one habit will save you hours of manual installs. And that's a wrap. 10 rock-solid apps every Linux beginner should try. Drop a comment below. Which one will you install first? If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux tips. Got questions about any of these tools? Let us know in the comments. Happy to dive deeper. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring Linux and enjoy your freedom.